Well, good morning, YouTube. It is Sunday morning, April 18th. I am doing this review, or I'm just sharing my experience with what I've been going through with LG. Wife and I had bought this refrigerator. It was on the 21st of March, and it was delivered to us maybe 5 days later on a Friday. But anyways, about 3 days ago, water started accumulating down at the bottom on the floor, and found out that the refrigerator just stopped working. This is a brand new refrigerator, guys. 4 weeks old in our home. French door, about 26 or 27 cubic foot in size. And this thing is just not working. It's been out now since Wednesday. Technician came Friday and found out that the main board and the compressor needs to be replaced. Very disappointing to think that a 4-week-old in our home. Actually, this thing was manufactured February of 2021. You can see that here on the label. So this is technically a 3-month-old since manufacture date. And this thing is gone useless. LG, I don't know what's going on with your quality, but obviously there are a lot of complaints about your refrigerator. And hopefully you take care of this, because I have made some calls. There are some reference numbers on file regarding this case. I don't want this in my house. I'm looking to get this returned and get my money back so that I can buy another brand refrigerator. You make great products from the outside, but quality in the inside is substandard. And really, something's got to be done about it, because I'm not the only one have had complaints about your quality. So, yes. Buyers beware, guys. Hopefully this will not happen to you. Take care.